Oh, and what I have in front of me and what I'm going to be talking about, discussing about, is the Happy Little Camper Flushable Baby Wipes. That's a check right there because it is flushable. Another thing that is a check is that it's with organic aloe vera, hypoallergenic, and biodegradable. That's amazing. So as you can see over here, it's like fragrance free, silicone free. You know, just this is a safer use as far as with baby wipes because of what it has in it. They are very soft and they don't really have a scent to it. I mean, it's fragrance free. If anything, it just smells really like fresh. Like, you know, some doesn't smell anything, but you know it's like a fresh smell. I don't know if that makes sense, but it just smells fresh. Anyway, these wipes are made with 100% natural cotton for a softer, stronger, and highly absorbent wipe that's safe for everyday use. Our gentle moisturizing lotion will leave delicate skin feeling clean and refreshed without causing irritation or allergic reactions. And I ain't trying to, you know, talk about other brands or anything, because it, you know, saying like, you know, unlike other, I'm not going to do that. But, you know, it's not with synthetic fibers, silicones, or alcohol, you know that. And it's 50 NS, and again, it is flushable. And that's so cute with the little owl. Okay, and then on the back, it gives, you know, the same, pretty much the same story as far as it's made with organic aloe vera and made from flushable materials for soft, environmental friendly, okay, and highly absorbent wipe that's safe for everyday use. Just like what I was pretty much saying. And what they don't have, and then saying that, you know, you can choose from the purest, safest, and most effective products for your baby and your whole family. And that's the brand and everything, and manufactured from. And I love color choices. I know that's not like, I know some people really don't care, but it gives it like that safe, like that really relaxed vibe from it. I don't know, it just really does. I absolutely love this brand. Love. This is the second time I've actually bought this. I can definitely tell like a difference between these and other wipes, just because as far as like, it tends to feel, I don't know, you just feel, it feels a little lighter, if that makes sense. Like, I guess with all the ingredients and stuff that's in others than this, it just feels like a lighter. And plus I kind of feel, I don't want to say safer, like, to put it out there, but you know, you just know what you're putting on your body because of the ingredients and stuff like that. And it's really easy to open, so there's really no complaints at all with this. Like, okay, so the wipe actually looks like this. Just not going to try to take the whole thing out. It's a good size, but it's really soft. You know, it's like not like extra product like left on your hand. It doesn't feel soapy or anything. It doesn't feel like really watered down. See, that's a good size too. Let me do it like this. Okay, yeah, so you can see it's a good size. I'm not trying to pull it all out, but there you go right there. Okay, so it's definitely a good size. It's not watered down. It's not like soapy. You know, you don't have any like, there isn't any product left on your hand. You know, I've dealt with wipes where there's some like product still left on your hands, which is crazy. I don't know how. I don't know why. Yeah, I mean, you know, and it's funny because some people say that you can actually use this for like makeup removal and stuff like that, since it's, you know, organic, it doesn't have any like harsh ingredients in it. I haven't done it myself, but I will say these are some good cleaning shoes wipes too. Like, if you have any, like, I don't know, if you scuff them up, especially like with chucks, like, you can clean on the front. I don't know, and it leaves my shoes smell really fresh too. Like I was saying, like, it is fragrance free, but it has like a real fresh, very light smell, like something like where it's supposed to doesn't smell like anything, but you know it's fresh. I hope that's making some sense. I really do. I believe they have other products as far as those wipes is concerned. I don't know if they have any more than 50, but I think they have more than 50 of these. I don't know. But anyway, another thing what I like about this product is that as I was filling on the wipe, it does have a nice consistency. And what I mean by that is, like, it doesn't feel thin or flimsy, like it will easily tear. You know, like it's quality, it's thick, so you don't necessarily have to worry about, you know, to tear real easy like other wipes do. And plus, it's a good size. Again, like I was saying, some wipe sizes are small, or they flimsy, or they rip as soon as you pull it up. And when you tear like the tab, you know, and that's inserted, so you flip it up, whatever, you get the wipes out. Some of the tabs on there is hard to open as well, but these actually weren't. Have a place where you can easily kind of pierce your thumb or whatever, and then just take it out, and it comes out real easily too, like one by one. Like, you don't have to worry about two coming out at once, or you know how when you pull in one wipe up and then you're like, okay, where the rest of them go? You gotta put your finger in and dig and try to. No, it's these aren't like that at all. So I would definitely highly recommend these. Again, this is the Happy Little Camper Flushable Baby Wipes, and they're 50. Yep.